Now you get it. You can manifest from love or you can manifest from fear. If yung focus mo and yung energy mo is palagi sa negative, palagi sa anger, yun lang bibigay ni universe sa'yo. Yun na. Okay. So I guess, yun, that's the lesson. It's because the universe gives you who you are. Yung pagkatao mo, kung sino ka, doesn't give you what you want. Ano naman, very clear naman, anong gusto ng uncle ko? His daughter to marry a Chinese, di ba? But then, angry siya. Di ba? So, yun ang binibigay sa kanya. Uy, angry tao ka, o ito bibigay. I'll give you more of this one. You get it? Yan. So, yun yung lesson. So, that's why sometimes I have to teach a lesson in the negative form para magets yung positive, di ba? Yun. It doesn't give you what you want, shows you who you are. So, angry person siya. So, yun ang binibigay sa kanya. Okay. It shows you who you are. So, lesson learned. That's the law of attraction. That's a simple law of attraction. Okay. And so, sige, I'll just finish. Alam ko yung next question nyo. Ano nangyari sa third and fourth daughter? What happened to the third and fourth daughter? Oh, so what happened to the story lang? Sometimes I forget to close it di ba na, so because naman nanganak yung daughters nila, di ba? So may grandkids na yung uncle ko. So guess what, di ba? Hindi mo naman maano yung grandkids di ba? Wala naman silang ano there. So because of that, nag-reconcile yung uncle ko with the daughters niya. So binigay na yung gift ng husband, accept na niya yung husband. And I really see them now in the events. Ganon. The family events. So reconcile na sila. Good na sila. So love wins nga. So I say love wins Love, peace, joy wins. And exactly, di ba? What happened then yung baka may marites dyan. And what happened to the third and fourth daughter? Yan. So may update na. So Gloria knows the story na. The update is like the third daughter actually is going to marry na. They're going to marry a Chinese. Yan, nagka with a Chinese. So I don't know if that's manifestation, but ganon, it's love, di ba? Kahit na ano naman, I'm sure the uncle will accept, but love siya. Yan. Sige, so you get it.
Yes.
So you get that. It's the law of reflection. Yes. Yan. And because of this, I'll teach you like one formula lang for manifestation. I-shortcut na natin. Dalian na natin. Make our lives easy, di ba? Yan. One focus on manifestation. And ito lang siya. Ito lang. It's 50% joyful wish, 50% inspired action equals manifestation. Yun lang. Okay. Joyful wish plus inspired action equals manifestation. Delete ko nga to. I don't know why may lumalabas. Okay. So kailangan ba 50-50? Sa akin, it's like, hindi. I mean, ginawa ko lang yan for the accountants kasi minsan yung mga accountants medyo OC. Kailangan ng numbers, diba? 50 plus 50 is 100. But kung hindi kayo accountant, okay lang. Joyful wish and inspired action equals manifestation. Yun lang. Oops. Wait. I don't know why I'm annotating. Okay. Oops. So yeah, let's go to the balance of the mind and the heart, diba? Yun. The balance of the mind and the heart. So what is joy muna, diba? What is joy muna? Joy is balance of mind and the heart. So may nagtanong kay Buddha, what is joy? Ang sabi ni Buddha, joy is the balance between mind and the heart. That is joy. Okay. Now, di ba, ang lalim ni Buddha, di ba? So sa akin, dapat mag-isip ako ng example for Filipino kasi it's so important the feeling of joy. So ito lang. Alam mo yung yung hindi kinakasal tapos nagme-marry sila. Ano tawag doon sa Tagalog? Yung hindi kinakasal tapos inaanak. Yun. Oo. Yeah. So yun. So let's say you love someone tapos diba sabi niya, "Uy, wag na tayo magpaalam sa parents natin, di ba? Let's love will feed us." Tapos sige, nagpakasal sila. Anong nangyayari sa kanila? Di ba? What happens to them? Nagugutom sila. Kasi, di ba? Nagugutom sila. Kasi, love will not feed you naman eh. Anong will feed you, di ba? Food will feed you. Not only love. So masyadong emotional yung decision nila. Okay, yun. On the other hand, maybe in the Western countries, those in Western countries, you will see na, uy, paano naman yung ano, di ba? Paano naman yung, uy, I have to have 100 million in the house and the car, di ba, before I marry you. Oh, what happens to that couple naman? Never sila nag-marry kasi ang tagal-tagal nag-iipon pa. Nag-ipon hanggang 40, 50 na, wala pa, di sila nag-marry. So masyadong mind naman yun, masyadong sigurado. Oo. Oo. But what is that balance? That balance is joy. That balance is joy. And this is like a real example. So I have, her name was Attorney Joy. Now she's a judge na nga, di ba? And this is a real story from Taking Manifestation. They wanted to get married sa COVID, during COVID, but sabi na, practical sila ng asawa niya ngayon, di ba, na, ay hindi pa natin kaya, di ba, to get married. So what do we do? Mag-ipon muna, nag-business sila, di ba, nung ano, nag-ipon sila ng a few million for their wedding. Pagkatapos, talagang they got married right after COVID. Yun. So now they're very happy. You can see the Facebook, they have 2 kids na. Ganun siya. Talagang binalance nila yung mind and heart nila. Yan. And that is joy. The balance between the mind and the heart. Okay. And so, ang galing ni Buddha. Anong sabi din ni Buddha? Ano naman yung regret? Ano yung pagsisisi? Di ba? Ang pagsisisi ay when the mind and the heart do not agree. Pag gusto lang ng utak mo, uy, gusto ko ng, uy, daming pera, but, diba, you have to sacrifice your values for it, diba, hindi ka masaya. Ganon. Or you do something too emotional, then you regret it later on. Ganon din. That's regret naman. Yeah. So yun. So that's joy. Because we want to go to joyful wish. Yun yung joyful wish. Yung balance ng mind and ng heart. Yung balance ng mind and the heart. Joyful wish. And what is a joyful wish? Oh, eto lang. Yan, oh, flinash ko lang. Nakita niyo yung picture, di ba? That is a joyful wish. Kahit na anywhere in the world kayo, basta Pilipino kayo, nakita niyo yung picture na something, a joyful wish is yun yung feeling, di ba? Kahit na naisip mo lang, nakita mo lang, masaya ka na. That's a joyful wish. Yan. So in this case, it's a chicken joy. Chicken joy. Nakita mo pa lang, wala ngang chicken joy, di ba? I don't know, kung may pakain dyan o wala. Pero nakita mo pa lang, masaya na. Yan. That's a joyful wish. Kahit na wala pa, masaya ka na. That's a joyful wish. That's how you make a joyful wish to the universe. Okay. Yun. Something kayo to think about, happy ka na, kahit na wala pa. That's a joyful wish. That's the feeling of a joyful wish. Yun. Okay. So what's the feeling pa? So now you'll get it, diba? I want you to understand, isa puso ninyo. You just feel it. Okay. Simple lang, patawa lang yung mga explanation ko, but you will feel it. And that's where the magic is. Oh, eto. Eto pa yung feeling ng joyful wish. Ninanamnam. Diba? Feel mo na, parang nandyan na, nalalasahan mo na, natataste mo na. Diba? Kahit na wala pa. So yung kwento to is like, yeah, during COVID nga. During COVID, one of my friends, nagtuturo siya. Tapos sabi niya, tapos tinext na ako out of the blue. Wins, ganun pala yung manifestation, di ba? Nagtuturo ako sa COVID. Tapos like, sabi niya, uy, ang tagal ko na hindi kumain ng taho, di ba, sa COVID kasi wala na yung nagdala ng taho, di ba? Yan. So sabi, uy, tagal ko na hindi kumain ng taho. So he just tasted taho, then he just forgot about it. Then the next day daw, yung students niya, dinalan siya ng 4 na taho and 4 na tapsilog. Ganon. Yun lang, out of the blue. Wins, ganun pala yung manifestation. Ganun pala mag-manifest. Di ba? Feel mo, ninanamnam mo na, nalalasahan mo na, nandun na, yun. Then you feel that. Okay. Versus, you get that, di ba? Versus need na need mo na, ay, di ako nakakain ng taho. Diba? Tagal-tagal ko na. Yung nakakainis na feeling, yun, nais mo na wala pa. Don't feel like that. So be very aware of your feeling na feel mo na nandyan na, yun. So it's like the chicken joy, di ba? Pang nandyan na, feel ko yan, masaya ako dyan, versus na need ko. So number 1, yung feeling of a joyful wish, ninanamnam. masaya ka, anong intention mo? Okay. So ito lang. So the joyful wish should have that intention na eto siya, kahit na the same results mo, kahit na two people doing the same things, iba yung intention, iba din yung labas. Okay, iba din yung labas. So ito lang yung kwento ko, is like yung friend ko, di ba? I have a friend na, sige, 5 years na siya nagkikito, nagda-diet, nagkikito, nagko-crossfit pa. Tapos every time I see him, mas lumalaki pa siya, mas tumatanda pa siya. Di ba? Okay, yun. I have a friend naman, 100 days lang, grabe, sobrang he lost 20 pounds, naging sobrang fit siya. Okay. Bakit? They're going to the gym, they're dieting and taking care of themselves every day. Bakit iba yung result? Sabi ko dito sa isang friend ko na lumalaki, sabi ko nga, kasi yung intention mo when you go to the gym is to punish yourself. Diba? Pang ang laki-laki ko, I have to punish myself when I go to the gym with my diet. Ganon. So he's doing all the work, but yung intention niya is to punish himself. Guess what? The universe pang punishes him more pa. Ganon ah. Versus this friend who just does it because he loves himself, he needs to be fit na, iba yung result. Okay. So yun. Intention is so important. Intention is so important. And ito yun, pure intention. And this is like, oh, I love this because talagang, I really credit. That's why when uh, Glory asked me to come, I come. Because this is what I learned from her. Pure intention. Pure intention. Yan. What's pure intentions? It's good for me, di ba? So like, ito nga, di ba? Like, I know Glory's story and maybe some other of your coach's story, di ba? You came from a simple background, but why is it very successful siya in manifesting everything she wants? Kasi when I learned, yung essence ni Gloria, di ba? Yung pagkatao niya is ang pure ng intentions niya. Yun. Di ba? It's good for me, di ba? Yung balak niya is good for me, is good for other people, it's good for the whole world. Kaya tinan mo, yung map, yung likod niya, it's good for the whole world. Wala namang makakasama, di ba? Dito sa balak ko, sa gusto ko. Yan. Yes, as in all. It's good intentions for everybody. So, when you have these good intentions, when you have these pure intentions, this is where the universe will support it. Yun. So it's like the apple seed, diba? When you plant an apple seed, oh, it's good for the whole universe. The universe will support it. Nature will support it. Ganon din, yung pure intentions. Tapos ay yun lang, di ba? Then, for the Filipino culture, usually, sino yung hindi nasasama sa intentions? Uy, baka may guilty dito. 'Di ba? Uy, sana okay sa family ko, sana yung mom and family ko, yung kids ko, yung husband ko, yung wife ko, okay yung buhay nila. Tapos, ay, okay lang ako hindi. Okay lang ako yung, ano, ako yung kawawa. Hindi ah. Hindi dapat. Dapat your intention is also for yourself. Especially for yourself first. Kasi hindi ka nga makapagbigay pag hindi ka naka-receive. So it should be good for you, good for other people, tapos good for everybody in the whole world. Walang, di ba? Nobody's affected. It's not only me, my family, my community. And because of that, lalago yung mga gusto nyo i-manifest. Your business, your abundance that you want. So make sure your joyful wish is pure intention, maganda yung seed. Yan. And yes, credit. Shout out to Gloria. To Glory, but this is what I learned from her. Having pure intention for everybody. So ito, we've been highlighting nga di ba? Focus on the intention or not the object. Yung intention mo is to be joyful. Okay? So like yung example ko dun sa like ito. I'll give this for your organization. Your intention is to help people, 'di ba? Focus on helping people, serving people, not the money. Dadating yung money. The skills, the money will come, but focus on serving people. O yung kaninang example ko also, 'di ba, yung sa friend ko, kung focus niya lang is to love himself, not to punish himself, he'll probably have so great results na. But kasi iba yung intention niya eh. Yan. Focus on what you want to feel. Focus on the joy. Focus on the joy, on the freedom, not on the object. Not on the object. Yan. And that's the power of manifestation. Sige. So if I shortcut it, like don't focus nga on the money. focus on the joy that the money will give you. And the universe will give it to you maybe in different form. Baka sa money, baka sa relationship. And ito nga yung example ko. And we were sharing this nga yesterday with yung magkapatids namin eh. 'Di ba na, okay, kung binigay ako ng house and lot, 'di ba? Kung binigay ng house and lot, ay binigay ako ng house and lot, ay aalagaan ko pa 'yan, may maintenance ko pa 'yan, 'wag na lang. 'Di ba mabigat yung feeling eh. It's not about the house and the lot, 'di ba? It's about the feeling. Versus someone gives me a GC, Starbucks GC. O yan, masaya ka, 'di ba? Masaya ka. Yung Starbucks GC. Gano'n din yung dad ko, 'di ba? Ay binigyan ng I don't know, let's say bibigyan siya ng kotse. Ay ayaw naman niya ng kotse, 'di siya mahilig sa kotse, 'di ba? But ibigay siya ng ano, ng Chinese food. Masaya yung dad ko. Linebre siya. Masaya siya. It's about the feeling not about the object. So don't get distracted to people na, "Uy, eto dapat gano'n yung manifestation mo. Ito malaki, malaki." It's about the feeling. And you focus on the feeling. And that is when your heart will know. Yun. And the universe will work on it. Okay. And part of it is believability, specificity. It's really like saying na ano, na okay, para mas feel mo, dapat pwede maging mas specific until you feel it. Okay? Like ito, di ba? Pwede ka maging specific na walang fear, walang doubt. Hanggang saang level, okay lang yan, di ba? So let's say, hanggang anong level wala kayong fear and doubt? I miss universe. Pwede, di ba? But sabi, isang Miss Universe lang eh. I miss Philippines, I miss Manila, I'm barangay Banggahan. Uy, okay na, healthy and energetic ako. Pwede. So you go to the feeling. So anong feeling yan? You can be very specific about it, but until wala kang fear, wala kang doubt na kaya mo to, then that's your first step. So pwedeng first step, I am Miss Barangay Manggahan. Tapos then you go to the next step and next step. Ganun lang, step by step. Yun siya. Okay, hindi pwede masyadong advance na, ay, dun ka sa Miss Universe, but you doubt yourself naman. Okay, so, yeah. So, start with something small. Sige, so my advice now is start with something small. Start with something small, maaga pa naman yung araw. Start with something small that, ano, like food, that you're specific and you will believe it, di ba? Yun. Start with something small. Madaming nag-manifest, like they took my manifestation course today, that same afternoon, the same day, nag-manifest na sila. Ganun. Ganun ka na siya. Okay. But ito lang, sige. But as I'm saying, small, you can do it, try it. Kasi it's the same process naman di ba? Magtanim ka ng seed, the universe will support you to get it, focus on the feeling. Medium, you can try it with your manifestations. But yung large manifestations, is like, okay, maybe I will add that in. Part of my work also is you have to do a lot of inner work, a lot of healing work, di ba? You have to review your fear, your beliefs, di ba? Your subconscious blocks. Yun lang. That's important. So we learn this in coaching, in leadership, but doing the inner work is really important when you want the large manifestations or when you want to manifest more. Yun lang yung ano ko. Yung ano ko. Kasi there are a lot of things that you still believe in unconsciously that you want. And I know your organization supports you here to bring you that to that real joy. That's all I'm going to say about ano, manifesting. So, last eto siya. This is the feeling of a joyful wish. Eto, wagi. Walang gigil. Yan, wagi. Hashtag wagi. Walang gigil. Okay? Na, basta wala kang gigil, you're manifesting right. Diba? Feel mo naman kung gigil ka na, uy, kailangan ko, ay wala pa. Yun. You don't want that feeling. Okay, you want na walang gigil, walang attachment, walang expectation. Ito yung gusto ko and I know I'll get it. I just feel happy about it. Okay. So, this is very related to the next kasi it's like my friend, di ba? Oh, so one of my friends, kasi, uy, Vince, na-meet ko na yung guy of my dreams, di ba? Gwapo siya, stable siya, mabait siya. But ang sabi mo sa akin, di ba? Walang gigil. So paano na? hindi siya after 3 hours na, hindi pa siya tumawag. Paano na? Di ba? So walang gigil siya. Anong kailangan ko gawin? Yun. So sabi ko, o nga no, inisip ko yun. Tama nga, huwag kang magigil. Di ba? Ito naman yung feeling mo. Dapat, yan, kilig ka lang. Yan. Kilig ka lang. Nakilig ka, na you met the right person, sige, hindi pa siya tumawag, okay, happy. You're just happy. You're just kilig. Okay. And I love it. That's why I love teaching it and teaching it in Tagalog. Tayo, di ba, alam natin yung kilig eh. Tanungin mo sa any Western country, they don't get what kilig is. And the kilig is a very powerful space on how to manifest. Kung palagi ka lang kilig, okay lang. Okay lang palagi kang kilig. Lakas maka-manifest dun. Oo, yes, that's a feeling. Yan. Sige. So it's not the wish, it's the feeling that the wish gives you. So pag ito wini-wish mo, pag ito iniisip mo, di ba? Step by step, gusto ko may savings ako, gusto ko may house ako, may car ako, it will lead you to joy. It's the feeling, It's always the feeling. Focus on the feeling and let the object be your inspiration, di ba? Like there's some people that inspire us. This is who I want to be, di ba? Focus on the feeling. When I'm that, masaya ako. So it's always focusing on the feeling. That's where the power is. Okay. Sige. So dito na tayo. We'll go fast. Inspired action. What is inspired action? Inspired action is ito lang. Coming from a place of power, of joy. Okay. It's aligned to my joy. Basta masaya lang ako, then I will be inspired to do something. That's inspired action. Okay. This is a whole so I hope nobody's offended, but this is a whole in the US there's a whole study, there's a whole daming books na about this one, di ba? Tapang I focus on myself and nothing bothers me. Hindi ako nagpapa-affect even to the things outside because I am in my own power. That's very important. That's inspired action. But we get it from the negative side na lang, di ba? Okay, I'm sure a lot of us very successful have done a lot in our lives and ito siya. Ba? Inspired action is not doing things tapos na-burnout ka. Okay? Alam ko, a lot of you, a lot of us have manifested something, but after minanifest natin yan, gabi, ang pagod natin, di ba, we're so tired, we're burned out na. Pang hindi na fulfillment yung ginawa natin. Di ba? Pang ganon. So that's not inspired action kasi nababurnout ka. Ang tinanim mo na seed is pipilitin ko to, paporsahin ko to, nakuha ko nga, pero ang pagod ko naman kasi force yung ginamit ko, force yung ginamit ko. Yun na, that's not inspired action. Okay? What is inspired action? Di ba? Kasi you cannot force it naman, hindi mo pinipili, hindi mo pwedeng, it's the things hindi mo pinipili, hindi mo pinipilit, sometimes you just let it flow. Okay? Inspired actions na energizing, pagod siya but very fulfilling siya. Yun. Tinanim mo, you watch it grow and you grow it. Okay? Pagod siya but very fulfilling. Okay. We know that. Diba, doing this organization, doing what you're doing, marketing, sales, pagod siya, di ba? But very fulfilling pag nakatulong ka, pag natulungan mo sarili mo, ay nakatulong ka ng ibang tao. That's pagod siya na fulfilling. Di ba? Okay. Even, I say nga, even resting, self-love is a action. Di ba? Minsan, ay, bakit nakaupo ka lang? Bakit you're taking care of yourself? It's not an outer action, but it's an inner action to take care of yourself. And afterwards, you feel good. That's really more important. You feel better, you do better. So resting and reflecting for me is an inspired action din. Because sometimes we need it. It's not passive. And what happens when you do aligned action? Kasi that's where your energy goes. Pag nag-action ka, di ba, nandun yung energy mo. Si universe will always tell you, yes, ito yung wish mo, ito yung action mo, isusupport ka lang. And how do you know that you're being supported? Synchronicity. Opportunities just happen. Di ba? Makikita mo. Minsan, we call it miracles nga eh. Minsan may nangyayari lang, hindi mo ina-expect, tapos nakukuha mo siya. Yan. Okay? So, kinoconnect lang ni universe yan. Okay, aligned opportunities, you will have a lot of synchronicity, diba? May tatawag sa iyo, may nag-resonate sa iyo, may inisip ka na tao, yun, listen to your heart and your intuition because that's your feeling. That's your feeling, that's your higher self na nag-resonate sa iyo. So may synchronicity yan for sure. So how did it make you feel, diba? It makes you feel light, easy. Uy, ito yung tamang action. Diba? The mind and the heart nga align eh. Yun. That's aligned action. So ito lang, so I'll just give you this picture. This is synchronicity for me, di ba? If you see the picture, I was asking the universe, uy, mag-head coach ba ako ng Leap 88? Yun na tinanong ko dito. This is in Korea. Tingnan mo ang binigay ni sign ni universe. O yan, 88, 88 yung highway nila. Oo. But hindi pa yun yung punchline eh. Yung punchline is, di ba, nandun naman yung highway eh. Ito, yung plate number ng car. Yan, 7887. Okay. That means sobrang aligned. That means it's a sign for me. Yes, go ka lang. Go ka lang sa ginagawa mo. Yun na. The universe will give you signs. This will always support you. My friend says, kung sign, ask for a sign. Things will give you the sign. Yeah. So maybe this is the sign. So, like what a very successful manifestor teaches, di ba? Wapi di ba? Inspired action is just feel it, don't feel it. Yan. Madami sa inyo kilala to. Yung mga Gen Z baka di na kilala. Yan. So, just feel it, don't feel it. That's what inspired action is. Okay. Yan. So light lang, chill lang, easy lang, coming from a place of internal power. You feel powerful before you take action. Hindi ka napipilitan, hindi ka napapersa, di ba? And that's why you focus your energy. Yan. Okay. So that's inspired action. Gets natin, inspired action. Okay. So the last part, and this is the part that, okay, minsan dito na-challenge yung tao. Ang sabi, minsan dali-dali naman ng joyful wish, di ba? O mag-wish na ako na masaya, dali-dali lang yan. Inspired action, I know what it feels like already, dali-dali lang, di ba? It's from a place of lightness that I do. Ito nga, medyo yung challenging part eh. Oo. Kasi balikan natin, di ba? Kung binigay kita ng lemon, binigay kita ng lemon ang binigay ka sa'yo, anong tinanim ko? Binigay ka sa'yo lemon, sasabihin ka sa'yo, uy, Wins, ito yung lemon na binigay ka sa'yo. Binigay ka sa'yo yung lemon, tinanim ko apple. Apple lang tinanim ko. Bakit nakakakuha ako ng lemon? Apple lang tinanim ko eh. Tama, mali. Mali, di ba? Kung lemon ang nakuha ko based on results, lemon ang tinanim ko.
Yes.
Okay. Lemon ang tinanim ko. Okay, ganun na. Kasi minsan, di ba yung tao, Coach Wins, ito yung results ko. But alam ko apple ang tinanim ko. Bakit ito kinukuha ko? Hindi. Lemon ang tinanim mo. Go back to your manifestation, your joyful wish, or go to a lot of internal work, inner work, and that's where you'll find out na baka lemon ang tinanim mo kasi lemon ang kukuha mo. Kasi the nature, universe is always right in supporting who you are. So bakit ito yung example ko? Kasi kung tama yung seed, tama yung process, tama yung harvest. You really just have to trust. Okay? Bakit etong part ang mahirap sa tao? Kasi you have to trust. That it's really just the law of nature. You have to trust nature. You have to chill ka lang, di ba? God, di ba? Universe is control. That's what we learn. Diba? You trust it na it will help you, it will support you. That the universe got your back, you always have a connection with the universe. Diba? The universe, ba, palagi tayo naman binibigay ng air, ng water, always supporting us. Okay. So like this one guys, like nasa langit ang grasya, nasa tao yung gawa. Diba? The usual saying sometimes, diba, is like nasa langit ang awa, nasa tao ang gawa. Diba? But I kind of not kasi I don't have to wait for yung heavens na maawa sa akin before mabigay ako. I believe nga si langit, si universe always gives me graces. And all I have to do is to co-create with the universe. Okay. And this one is the last. It's very powerful, diba? Even before I was teaching manifestation, ito lang, diba? In one of the books, they said, diba, that it's the law of attraction. Based on what you're doing or what you're experiencing, hindi nga dapat tinatawag na law of attraction Dapat ang tinatawag sa gusto niyong gawin is the law of allowing. Wow. When I heard that, the law of allowing, nag-change talaga. Nag-shift talaga yung perspective ko about manifestation. Why? Instead of gusto ko i-attract, gusto ko kunin, I will just allow the universe to give me what I want. Eh, yung mga some people who are very successful, uy, so ang gagawin ko lang, mag-allow ko lang, tapos mag-flow na yan. Hindi. You still need to have the discipline. You still need to do the task. You still need to do the action. But then you allow, you surrender to the results. You surrender to the results. Don't worry, don't give the emotion. Focus on the things that you can do. The universe will let it flow and surrender. Then you surrender the results. Huwag ka maging attached to the results. That's the key. And what surrender? Kasi ito yung of all the things, that are, this is one of the things that are, that are really, key in understanding manifestation, surrender. Kasi for us, surrender is parang, ay, masama yung surrender kasi nag-give up ako. Hindi pala yon. Okay, one of my coaches also taught me, surrender is not giving up. Okay? Surrender is just accepting na, uy, eto pala yung kalagayan ko sa buhay. Eto pala ako. Ganun pala ako. That's surrender. It's not giving up, ah. It is what it is. Ganun eh. Di ba? Minsan we say, ganun eh. But when you accept what it is, nagiging magaan. And that's what you want, di ba? The feeling of magaan. Doon ka nag-uumpisa sa magaan. Di ba? Until you surrender, until you're at peace. And when you're at peace, it's easier to do the joyful wish, the intention, than the manifestation. Okay? Versus kung hindi ka surrender, palagi mong inaaway, hindi, ibang tao yan, iba yan, siya yan, ganun yan, di ba? Hindi ko ma-change to. That's not surrender. Surrender is accepting, magaan, what is, di ba? Until you're at peace. And from that space of surrender, that's when you can manifest more. Okay, and this is one of the, maybe I just introduced the concept, but I know this is one of the more challenging parts of manifestation. You surrender and you allow what you want to come in. Uy, totoo ba yan? Totoo ba yan? Okay, try it on something small. Di ba, malay mo. Di ba? Try it on something small, surrender lang na, ay, sige, baka may magbigay sa akin ng Jollibee today, ng pagkain today. Kung hindi, okay lang. That's surrender. Hindi yung gigil na, ay, dapat may magbigay sa akin, dapat may maglilibre sa akin. Iba yung space na yan. Okay. You start with peace. No tinge of fear, no tinge of doubt. So focus on the process, not on the attachment. This is like, sometimes I practice, diba, sa Catholic, diba, we pray over people. But when you pray over people, it's not that, diba, hindi mo naman ine-expect na ma-heal sila eh. It's like one of my other lessons of healing, diba? When you pray over people, you don't expect they get healed, but you know that it will comfort them. Makukuha nila yung energy. So your intention is to make them feel, diba, better lang, not necessary to heal. Kung nag-heal sila, okay. Kung hindi sila nag-heal, okay. But you're really helping your person with the intention. Okay? That's the process. That's part of that surrender. So trust the process. Yun lang. Yung 100% manifestation, if I put the right seed, the right trust, the pure intention, I will get the right results. I will get the right results. Yung trust on the process. And I'll be harvest. So the key lessons is yan. The universe got your back. Your job is yung feeling mo. Always be aware of your feeling, of your focus. Start with the inspiration, your joyful wish. Stay in the joy. Trust that the universe is working with you. Okay? Trust that the universe is working with you. And be aware if all your actions are coming from inspired action. Okay? So ito lang. It's really just about alignment. Okay? Joyful wish, inspired action equals manifestation. Yun lang siya. It's aligning everything. Okay. Use the representation, whether it's a tao and an object, to inspire you, but to make you joyful. But this makes me joyful now. Next time, something else will make me more joyful. Yan. Step by step siya. So ito lang. This is like my summary. How do you know you're aligned? Basta when you're feeling joyful, love, peace, relax. You love yourself, you're one another, chill lang, walang gigil. That's the powerful space of manifestation. When you're always kilig, that's a very powerful space of manifestation. Kilig ka lang ng kilig, di ba? Wow, what's something new? For some of my, like people who have done this, parang, uy, universe, hindi ko na alam kung anong gusto ko eh. Surprise me na lang. And the universe will always surprise you. Will always surprise you with opportunity, people. Wow, hindi ko alam kung saan siya nanggaling, but dadating na lang yan. Yes. Maybe your coaches, like Glory, can share na ang dami-dami ganun experience kasi doon ka na sa level na yun eh. Nakilig ka na, taas ng vibration mo, si universe na nagpapakilig sa'yo. Oh yes, that's what I wanted to emphasize, di ba? Kung ito yung level ng kilig mo, like ito yung level ng joy mo, si universe, ang gagawin niya, hahabulin yan. Uy, kilig ni ano is pang 5-star hotel levels. O yan, si universe hahabulin yan. O 3-star ka muna, then 4-star, naging 5-star. O ito 6-star level na. Ito na yung joy mo, hahabulin ni universe yung feeling mo. Ganun na. That's how powerful you are as a manifestator. Si universe pa naghahabol sa feeling mo, sa focus mo. Okay. Yeah. And that really assures a lot of people. When you do the work, when you do the inner work, basta wag ka lang manggigil, di ba? Because you trust that it will come, it will flow, and you're really allowing. You're allowing what you want to your life. You're allowing what you want to your life. And those things that you don't want, you don't allow. So it's really allowing na binibigay na sa'yo eh. O, ito yung gusto ko, ito yung ayaw ko, ito yung inalaw ko, ito yung hindi. Ganun lang. Ganun lang. Allowing. It's very light, very easy. Okay. So with that, yeah. So with that, thank you. Well, thank you for being here. Thank you for listening to me. I hope I'm sharing something. And this is one last secret in manifestation and that you'll read sa all the books eh. Diba? Grateful is graceful. Okay. So dati, very mental pa ako. Sabi ko, diba? Yung sinasabi ng mga books sa manifestation, if you want a manifestation, be grateful, be grateful. Okay. So ang pang-prayer ko is like, thank you universe, thank you sa 10 million na wala pa sa akin, di ba? Yun ang prayer ko. Bitin naman yun, thank you for the 10 million na wala pa sa akin. Di ba pang mixed message sa universe? Okay. Wala. Ang sinasabi ng gratitude is, wins, okay, be thankful for, let's say, yung pen. Di ba? Be thankful for my glasses. Okay, be thankful for a ball pen. Kasi when you're really thankful, hindi sa object yan eh. If you're really thankful about an object, anong sasabihin ng universe? Uy, grateful siyang tao. Uy, open siya to receive more blessings. Kung grateful siya, kahit na sa maliit na thing, di ba, I can give him bigger things. So, mas madaming grasya ako mabibigay. So now, by the prayer, is like, uy, thank you for everything. Thank you for all the small things in my life. Yan. And when I'm grateful, I'm really a magnet for more graces from the universe. Okay. So with that, again, thank you. Thank you for listening. Thank you for blessing me. Grabe, this is one of my biggest audiences online and international pa. So thank you for the invite and I'll be open to questions. I'll be open through questions or clarifications. Talagang tanungin na ninyo yung makakatulong sa sa manifestation. Be as specific as possible and I hope I can help you there. Yeah.
Wow, grabe.